Why are microscopes important? Microscopes are important because they help scientists or students see very small objects that cannot be seen with naked eyes. And they also used to study cells, bacteria, and other tiny organisms. So microscopes help scientists and students learn more about living things and make discoveries in medicine and biology. Cells make up all living things. Cells are the smallest unit of life and are around 0.01 millimeter to 0.03 millimeter long. A microscope is needed to look at cells in detail. So here's the equipment: microscope, an onion, and microscope slide, cover slip, cotton bud, food coloring, and a plate. So using a microscope, move the stage to its lowest position. Number 2, secure the glass slide to the stage. Number 3, select the lowest power objective lens. Slowly turn the coarse focus knob until you can see the cells. Slowly turn the fine focus knob until the cells come into focus. And finally, carry out steps 1 to 5 again using a higher power magnification to see the cells in more detail. So here is a step number 1. Cut an onion in half, or ask an adult. Peel a thin layer of onion. This is the epidermis. And step number 2, put the layer of onion epidermis on the glass slide carefully, cover with a cover slip. Number 3, use food coloring to stain the layer of onion. And final step, use the microscope to view your onion cells. So here you need to calculate the magnification, total magnification, eyepiece, lens magnification, time objective lens magnification. So example, that is the calculation example. Calculate the total magnification if the eyepiece lens magnification is 5 and the objective lens magnification is 20. So it will be 100. That is the magnification. Here's a more question about that. Number 1, what is the general size range of cells? Number 2, name the part of the microscope that the glass slide sits on. Number 3, what is the total magnification if the eyepiece lens has a magnification of 10 and the objective lens has a magnification of 25? So here's the answer, guys. That is, general size range of cells is around 0.01 millimeter to 0.03 millimeter. And number 2 answer, that is the part of the microscope that the glass slide sits on it, called the stage. And total magnification, you know that you need to multiply, then you can find the total. Thanks, guys, and see you very soon.